Pratap Public School, Karnal, a dream venture of eminent educationist and philanthropist Dr. R.S. Bhatia, is among the leading schools in Haryana. Let us take you through the extensive preparations we have made to receive the students in a sanitized and a safe school environment. Upon entry, all are subjected to checking of temperature using the infrared gun thermometer. The magnanimous school management has invested to upgrade the infrastructure to make the school COVID safe. All those who arrive are provided sanitizer to sanitize their hands and to have compulsorily passed through the sanitization tunnel, which sprays 1% sodium hypochlorite solution to sanitize their clothes. Having resolved to bring the new normal into function with the unlock process well underway and providing the best of education, the Director Principal, teachers and staff of Pratap Public School have taken up the challenge of keeping the students safe and healthy. Pratap Public School regards the safety and health of its students its topmost priority. In order to ensure this, the school has taken several prudent measures to keep students and teachers safe by providing sanitized environment in accordance with the guidelines handed down by the Government of India, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Human Resources, CBSE and local administration. We have ensured that students maintain proper interpersonal distance and therefore circles have been marked on the floors in open areas and in corridors to ensure that the queue has proper social distancing. Those students who wish to come to school are supposed to bring along with them the parental consent duly signed by the parents. The classrooms have therefore been set up for seating a maximum of 20 students and name slips of the students have been put up on the desks. Staggered arrival and departure times have been adopted to ensure there is no rush and the guidelines are stringently adhered to. Automated contactless sanitizer dispensers have been installed at various locations across the school campus for ease of access and used by everyone. The fleet of buses is carefully sanitized every morning and after school, ready to carry precious cargo. A modern and well-equipped infirmary has been set up with bed and oxygen cylinders to meet any exigency. Signages cautioning the students have been put up at prominent places, ensuring high visibility and constant reminder to the students to adhere to the SOPs. Helpline numbers have also been prominently displayed for reacting to any emergency. Soap dispensers have been installed near washrooms and water taps for washing hands, and instructions for washing hands in accordance with the SOPs have been displayed in big bold letters. Teachers of all subjects rose to the challenge of COVID pandemic and taught themselves to use technology to take up the mantle of teaching online during the difficult times. The students too have been enthusiastically participating, be it studying online or undertaking various online activities being conducted by the teachers. We at Pratap Public School have a tradition of providing students with quality education and rich learning experiences to make them grow higher, stronger and brighter.
pandemic of COVID-19 has brought us into unprecedented times. It has altered our lives in both big and small ways. What worked yesterday has become obsolete today. What was normal in the past has become unacceptable in the present. But this is how life goes on. If we have got to live in this world, we will have to be prepared to adopt and embrace a new set of strategies for survival every now and then. And I am sure Pratapians know how to be agile and how to be their absolute best in testing times. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining. Similarly, COVID-19 has also given us numerous opportunities to craft a beautiful life for ourselves. If you turn the pages of history, you will learn that the difference between successful people and not so very successful people lies in only one thing, and that is how swiftly people respond and how well they respond to the windows of opportunities that life shows at them from time to time. Today we are in the Unlock 5, and I'm happy that the fear and anxiety that gripped all of us in the initial phase of lockdown is slowly leaving us. Although a lasting solution of this virus is not in sight, yet the flickering hope that this virus will be laid down to rest is gaining strength with every passing day. So dear students, let us not allow our dreams to die down. Today is the time to live up to the values that we as Pratapians believe in. Stay inspired and pursue your dreams.
So let us be informed, be prepared, be smart, be safe, and be ready to fight COVID pandemic.